Mdex is losing its position and right now stands firm on the foothold of number 245 with a market cap of $211,013,439.36. It has a coursing supply of 866,292,381 Mdex coins. Since it is moderately new, it is as yet not getting the market revenue as expected. It was helped to establish in 2017 by Nate Flanders and Anand Handa. It permits the client to trade any sets of resources by means of its pools utilizing its computerized market production framework. It likewise charges a 0.3% expense for that. Additionally, it gives compensations in its foundation token. This is finished to draw in financial backers and dealers. What makes Mdex interesting? Mdex convention has a few elements making it stick out. It is quick and solid. Contrasted with Ethereum, the charge is lower. All things considered, it isn't similar to a protection coin with a colossal accentuation on unknown exchanges. A portion of the critical highlights of Mdex are computerized market creator. Mdex helps associations in building and sending off applications at rapid by giving a stage that upholds this cycle. The exchanges should be possible day in and day out utilizing the stage, in contrast to customary trading. Raising support. It is additionally utilized for raising support. The Mdex stage works with the raising money process. Modest exchange charge. When contrasted in Ethereum, the Mdex convention completes exchanges quicker and with low expenses, subsequently furnishing clients with a quicker, more and easy-to-understand stage in a fluid exchanging framework for a minimal price. Exchanging mining. This exchanging convention rewards clients for each exchange they make. These prizes assist with driving really exchanging movement, helping increment the liquidity and giving additional exchanging choices. Adaptability. Mdex can be changed over completely to different coins or straightforwardly switched over completely to cash. Double mining component. Working on dualized mining development guarantees exchanges and reliable liquidity. The idea of saving all subsidizes increments exchanging exercises prompting an expansion in the computerized market creator liquidity process. Mdex value estimate. Market opinion. Mdex is contrasted in Uniswap. Uniswap is likewise like other cryptos with a decentralized engineering. Uniswap depends on Ethereum empowering clients to exchange tokens utilizing savvy contracts. The trading of this kind works with clients to trade the tokens without an outsider or some record keeping. Clients likewise give liquidity to such a market by weighty market support. What makes Mdex exceptional is its programmed market producer highlight. They likewise plan to build their client base by giving a superior client experience and adding various resources for the trade. They likewise plan to offer more easy-to-use models and reinforce their local area and manage its administration. As per the designer's arrangements, the trade will turn into a center for fluctuating resources, in any event, offering them from different chains. The supported liquidity of Mdex will end up being important while pushing ahead. The trade is supposed to coordinate more administrations, for example, choices contracts, monetary loaning, protection, fates contracts, and other decentralized administrations. As more development happens, the possibilities of Mdex turning into a huge player in the crypto market is an unequivocal chance. We should investigate a portion of the business specialists' perspectives on Mdex cost figure, on the off chance that you are searching for virtual monetary standards with great returns. Mdex can be a terrible, high-risk one-year venture choice according to our Mdex conjecture. Mdex cost today equal toward the beginning of December 2022. The Mdex cost will be around 35 cents, a greatest cost of 42 cents, a base cost of 31 cents for December 2022. The typical cost of Mdex for December 2022 is 37 cents. Mdex figure toward the finish of December 2022 35 cents. As per the Mdex conjecture, in 2022, the Mdex cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 28 cents. The normal lease cost of Mdex toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to be 27 cents. In addition, the Mdex worth can arrive at the greatest cost degree of 33 cents, according to our Mdex cost forecast 2022. The Mdex cost could hit 34 cents before the current year's over and 48 cents by 2026. As per our cost figure, in 2022, the Mdex cost is supposed to arrive at least value level of $5.62. The Mdex cost can arrive at a most extreme cost of $6.39, with the typical value around its obstruction level of $6.21. The ongoing cost of Mdex is exceptionally low from its high in February 2021. The unsurpassed exorbitant cost of $10.06 was arrived at in no less than 7 days with no opposition. The volume cost activity is plainly apparent in the Mdex cost diagram. Anything caused the high unpredictability has lost it. and the suggested unpredictability presently is genuinely steady in business sectors. For the final part of 2021, the cost of Mdex kept on moving sideways in a straight style. The general strength record hit oversold conditions in September and, for the present moment, the opposition level is at $54 with the possibilities hitting that line expanding consistently. The sideways example might go on for quite a while. Yet the Mdex cost gauge framework says that this probably won't go on for since a long time ago there is a high chance of the cost of Mdex raising a ruckus around town levels in 2 months or less. Alternately, in the event that the financial backers continue their selling and lose confidence in the worth of Mdex crypto, the MDX cost could dive to the help levels according to digital currency expectation. Assuming that is the situation, utilizing swing exchanging systems, one can attempt to acquire section into the Mdex market over the combination region that structures over the obstruction level. Doing as such, one can utilize choices to exploit the low suggested unpredictability to purchase out of the cash choices and create gains involving the expansion and suggested instability. The delta is probably going to increment over this level. Assuming that ideal case happens, one can likewise attempt to exploit the RSI to stand firm on their footings at the greatest cost degree of Mdex crypto till the overbought condition is coordinated. The bullish MDX value expectation can go from 34 cents to 40 cents inside the scope of a half year. The probability of breaking the high is great since there is inclusion from the designers of the MDX coin that upgrades and elements will be made soon. Besides, these improvements inside the Mdex environment could push the coin to a superior future according to the verifiable information and our MDX estimate. From what we have noticed, the destruction from the highs of $10 didn't happen in view of the enormous cost auction. Assuming the gathered volume is still high, the underlying financial backers may as yet hold the Mdex cost as long as possible. There is no critical volume-based sign that the conveyance has happened. Thus, for now, most would agree that there is no negative feeling in MDX as per our Mdex cost expectation. Mdex value expectation 2022. As per general data for the ventures, central and specialized examination ought to be finished if one intends to put resources into Mdex as long as possible. Consequently, dealers ought to do their own exploration, dissect the pattern in markets, and take venture counsel from their monetary guide prior to putting resources into Mdex for their future expectations information to procure a decent return. Mdex cost could reach 34 cents in the year 2022. Mdex value forecast 2023. The Mdex value forecast depends on boundaries. For example, long-haul trendline with informational indexes backing and prescient demonstrating methods. It is encouraged to remain refreshed with digital currencies news, different figures, and unofficial laws. It is anticipated that the Mdex cost will reach 38 cents in the year 2023. Mdex value expectation 2024. According to the Mdex cost expectation, the cost of Mdex could reach 43 cents in the year 2024. Generally speaking, financial backer opinion and cryptographic money economic situations will figure out what really occurs with Mdex before long. Mdex value forecast 2025. In light of the verifiable information in Mdex cost gauge, a decent expansion in cost should have been